As all of us know that day by day lots of improvements are taking place in the scooter segment. Hero has also brought out various new models, beautiful, colorful, and nowadays people are falling for all the latest. So I'm sure these scooters will be popular in the market. We already had one customer who we have given the key, and I wish them all the success. And I'm sure this, as it is, Hero is quite popular, and I'm sure people of Margam will give good response to this show.
Respected Sri Digambar Kawant, I really thank him for coming here for this launching of Zoom bike. At the same time, I thank each and every person who has supported us here, especially the media, our staff, our sub-dealers who are there. I thank each and every one. Thank you very much.
So this bike is of 110cc. The mileage is claimed for this bike is 60 and above. It has a Bluetooth connectivity. You get call alerts for the calls and messages you receive on the phone. Then you have a charging port. And the speedometer is fully digital for the bike. You have these corner bending lights. They are LED.
DRL.
Yes, and you have a I3S feature where it's an automatic stop and start switch. You can use it in the traffic. That saves your fuel. So you'll have to put the bike on and off with the same switch. You don't have to use your key.